Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change indents in publisher entire document. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a publisher document and take some text. Now we want to change indent this document entire text. Firstly click the text. Then we can see here show the indent points. Now we select the indent point. Then move this. Select the hanging indent. You can select this all text to indent this entire document. Now we can see we change indent this publisher entire document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.